If you are a university student or a recent graduate in 2026, you are being lied to. Your career advisors are telling you to wake up, go to LinkedIn, filter by entry level, and manually submit your CV to 50 different companies a day. They are telling you to play a numbers game. But here is a brutal truth. Human beings cannot win a number game against corporate algorithms. While you are spending 3 hours tweaking your cover letter, a recruiter applicant tracking systems has already scanned, ranked, and filtered out 1,000 other resumes. Manual job hunting is officially obsolete. It's exhausting, it's demoralizing, and it destroys your momentum. To win your first role today, you do not need to apply harder. You need to build a machine that applies for you. You need to transition from a desperate applicant into a high-value job shopper. And you are going to do it by building your own digital employee. Today, I'm going to teach you the most valuable tech skill of the decade, Agentic AI. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use a free visual platform like N8N to build an autonomous job hunting agent that finds, analyzes, and drafts pitches for hidden jobs while you sleep. Welcome back. I'm Dr. HR. In the corporate world, the candidate who gets hired and the ones who de-risk the investment, you do not want to scrap standard job boards. You want the hidden market. You will need to set up an RSS feed trigger or a webhook connected to a platform like X, Twitter, or specific industry job boards. You instruct the node to trigger every time a new post contains keyword like hiring junior, fresh graduate, or expansion, combined with your specific industry like data analytics or digital marketing. Step 2 is injecting your skill DNA. You will create a static node in N8N that contains your entire professional profile, your degree, your project, your technical skills, and your core competency. This is your master resume stored as a raw data. Now, your N8N workflow is awake. It is constantly catching new job postings the second they hit the internet. But it needs to know what to do with them. Phase 2, the Agentic Evaluation. This is where the magic happens. We connect your data feed into an LLM node like Gemini 3 or Claude 4.6. You are going to write a system prompt. Inside N8N, that turns into an AI into a ruthless evaluator. You will tell the agent you are an elite career strategist. I'm going to feed you a live job description and my personal skill DNA. I want you to analyze the job requirement against my skill. If my profile is less than an 80% match, discard the job entirely. Do not waste my time. If it is an 80% match or higher, proceed to the next step. This is the power of Agentic AI. It is making autonomous decisions based on your parameter. It acts as a gatekeeper, protecting you from the psychological drain of applying to jobs you are fundamentally not qualified for. It completely eliminates the spray and pray methodology that ruins so many early careers. Phase 3, the automated pitch and the deployment. If the agent decides the job is high percentage match, we move to the action nodes. The N8N workflow will automatically command the AI to draft a hyper-personalized cold DM or cover letter because the agent has your skill DNA and the specific job description. It will use the CAR method, challenge, action, result, to perfectly align your university project with the company immediate bottleneck. Finally, N8N will push this completely packaged output directly to your smartphone. You can set up a node to send a message to your personal Slack, Discord, or Google Sheet. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing a neat list of 3 highly curated, perfectly matched job openings, complete with a customized executive level pitch for the hiring manager. Your only job is to review the text, click send, and prepare for the reality check now. Listen to me again, carefully. Why am I telling students to build this? Yes, it will save you hundreds of hours. Yes, it will get you the interviews faster. But the real secret is the proof of capability. When you finally get into that interview room, the HR director is going to ask you, what makes you different from 500 other graduates who applied for the role. You are not going to talk about how passionate or hardworking. You are going to look them in the eye and say, I'm highly efficient with modern automation. In fact, I didn't find a job manually. I built an autonomous agentic AI workflow using N8N and an LLM to scrap the market. Evaluate your job description against my skill DNA and draft the initial pitch. I deployed an AI to find my human employment. If I can build that to get hired, imagine the operational efficiency I can bring for your company once I am inside. This is how you instantly become the ultimate safe hire. You are demonstrating practical, cutting edge leverage that senior executives are currently paying consultants thousands of dollars to understand. Your action plan today is simple. Number 1, stop scrolling job boards. Number 2, go to n8n.io and create a free account. 3, watch a basic tutorial on connecting an RSS feed to an AI node. Number 4, build your first AI agent. Treat your job search like an engineering problem, not a lottery ticket. And if you want to bypass the traditional job market entirely while you build your agent, head over to talentbraze.namaste.ai. Create your profile, upload your skill DNA, and let our proprietary algorithm match you directly with the employer who are actively looking for forward-thinking talent. Take control of your technology, build your system, and I will see you at the top.